Today's Healthy Eating on a Budget. It's a pre-event for agriculture. I'm here with Libby from Eat Well Tasmania, and we're going to take a group of people through how they can get the most from their produce and how they can get the most value and flavour from their cooking generally.
Really important because it actually decides on what people choose to eat. We have these wonderful, amazing, nutritious ingredients at our fingertips, so it does make a major impact.
Generally, when you think about it, we all have to eat. We all have to think about what we're putting in our bodies, where we're buying it, and who we're supporting.
People, think that to buy healthy food, there is sometimes a stigma that it is, expensive, where in reality you can create healthy meals for families and children that don't break the budget. And so today's workshop is really teaching families how they can create healthy meals that don't break the budget at all.